Hey guys, so this video is for my FedEx and UPS drivers and workers and corporate and in the field. Okay, I want to enlighten you guys. I'm gonna give you the game, so take some notes, get a pen and paper right now. My name is Coach Tanisha Marie. I help people make money from the comfort of their cell phone. I help people make money from the comfort of their cell phone, but the comfort of their home. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys some game. If you listen, I can help you. If you don't listen, then I can't help you. Simple. So for the FedEx and UPS workers that deliver packages, you guys, industry, it's an industry of that, right? Of delivery services, right? This is nationwide. This is a worldwide thing people deliver, right? So what Amazon figured out for the FedEx and UPS delivery companies, they figured out a way to literally just cancel you guys. Now, some people believe it's true. Some people believe it's not true. But look at this. The largest taxi cab company has no cars. Uber. The largest hotel chain in the world has no hotels. Airbnb. The largest online distributor, which is Amazon, has no products. Ain't that funny? They have no products. They have no products. So the world is being disrupted, right? That's why I love what I do, because what I do is I get to see and I get to put people on game to let you guys know what's happening. So you guys, FedEx, UPS, Amazon is your biggest competition. Amazon is your biggest customer, but Amazon is your guys' biggest competition. I read an article. Amazon said that if they get rid of FedEx and UPS, they would save $1 billion a year. So that's all of you guys' salaries. All the UPS workers, all the FedEx, that's you guys' salaries now. Next 18 months to 3 years, all you're gonna see is Amazon trucks. So all the FedEx workers, you guys better be trying to get over on the other side of money with Amazon and start your own business as a trucking, one of the distributors for Amazon, using Amazon's trucks. And now that's your own business because it's your own franchise. You and your boys get together, y'all put your money together, now y'all building a multi-million-dollar business from just shipping products. That's the game. That's the game. Your job is about to be over. So that means if you allowed your job to feed you and feed your family, when Amazon get rid of y'all, you're going to allow your job to starve your family too. So you better wake up. For real. Okay? You ain't got to believe me. You ain't got to believe me. But let me tell you something. It's too much disruption going on. Do you think nurses and doctors will have jobs, let's say in the next 5, 10, 20 years? No. Because now you have robots. Amazon, you don't need pharmacists anymore. It's crazy. It's so much. You don't even need pharmacists anymore. What do you need a pharmacist for when all you need is a drone? The drones do all that. They deliver all of that stuff. You don't need, what you need pharmacies for? You go right to the factory. You got people packaging it up. Robots, not even people. Robots packaging it up. And the drone shipping it out to you. You ain't never got to leave your house. But here's the sad flip side. People going to school to be doctors and teachers and all this stuff that robots are replacing in the next 10 years. Not even. It's happening now. The next 5 to 10 years. So it really don't make sense for college. I mean, not even engineering, because they got robots building cars. Wow. Human beings, guys, are being replaced, and Amazon is at the forefront. See, I'm just an Amazon seller, so I'm getting my piece of the pie. See, what I love about Amazon is that there's many ways to get your piece of the pie with this thing. Amazon at 4.2 trillion market cap. They dominating. You want to be a part of something like that. You want to be a part of something growing and going and thriving. Because what that means, you're going to be going and thriving. Okay? So all the FedEx and UPS workers, right? If you guys don't learn how to get on the other side of money, you're going to allow your job to literally starve your family. Okay? FedEx workers, you guys need to get on the other side. Go online, look up the Amazon franchise opportunity, right? Of course, you got to pay and all that stuff to be a part of it. You and your boys get together. Everybody put up $1,000. Everybody put up $100 or whatever it is. Everybody put up 10 grand. Whatever it is, you and your boys get together and build a multi-million-dollar delivery service business. That's what Amazon is allowing you the opportunity to do. So it's not, extra stuff, that people think it is, right? It's an opportunity for the FedEx workers to secure the bag. It's an opportunity, friend, for you to secure the bag for you and your family. That's what Amazon is creating for you. Because guess what? All you're doing now is delivering packages in your area. Because Amazon trying to open up warehouses everywhere. So they need him to go out of this way, you go out of this way, you go out of that. They're going to have a whole system set up. All you got to do is now get your team in place. Amazon tells you what to do. It's just like opening up your own McDonald's. Right? You go to the place to open it up and they tell you exactly what to do. And you go, you do it. That's it, your own franchise. Right? That you can do your own thing. Or you could be a drop shipper. Like I do, right? I drop ship. I never hold products. You guys hold all the products. You guys ship all the products that I'm shipping, right? I'm a drop shipper. All I am is the middleman to get paid. So while you guys are delivering the packages, I'm just selling them. I'm never seeing none of them, right? Because when a customer goes online or a buyer goes online, they go on Amazon, and my stuff is on Amazon, and they purchase, right? That's how it works. That's how you guys get paid too. So the buyer goes and buy, right? That's why it's so much money, because people keep buying. So the buyer comes to Amazon and buys a product from Amazon. Remember, there's millions of sellers on Amazon. So you don't know who you're buying it from. But what we do know, the transaction goes through where the buyer wants a hanger, the seller has a hanger. Now the seller got to ship it to the buyer. They find a wholesaler or they find whoever. And who do we use? FedEx and UPS. Right? UPS. Soon it's going to just be Amazon. Right? You just ship it through Amazon because Amazon has their own internal system. You think Amazon not about to disrupt this whole world? You kidding me? Amazon is trying to open up all kind of places. Amazon got real estate in China where they opening up warehouses, literally. Like houses and houses of that shit. I'm telling you, Amazon is taking over. They trying to get into every area, guys. See, I'm just getting a tiny piece of it. I'm not even getting a lot. Because there's so many ways to get it. Or you can become, you go and open up your own kiosk and have products shipped to that kiosk. Now you the kiosk holder. And you getting paid to hold people products in your venue. And people come and pick it up. That's a multi-million-dollar business right there. Kiosks. Right? Kiosks, right? This is why you gotta stay in the know. Right? So I know I went off topic, but FedEx workers and UPS workers, guys, get yourself on the other side of money. Amazon is it. Do not sleep, guys, because what's going to happen is the opportunity is going to come in, is going to go out. Those that got involved, like myself, will make some money. Will get rich. Those that don't, well, guess what? The robots going to take all aspects of your life. Because now you don't need a cook. The refrigerator cooks for you. The refrigerator makes the meal for you now. Not the stove. Don't worry about the stove. You don't need the stove either. The refrigerator has capabilities. You remember the Jetsons? The Jetsons was a clear picture. Go watch the Jetsons. A clear picture. Your refrigerator gonna make your food. You don't need to cook no more. You don't need to clean it no more, because now your house is it's like a 3D clean. I'm telling you, technology's taking over, and if you guys don't stay ahead, I'm telling you, 2 steps ahead, I'm telling you, you can't win. You cannot win, guys. I'm telling you, if you allow your job, this is for everybody that got jobs. If you allow your job to feed your family, write this down. If I allow my job to feed my family, right? So that means you getting paid for going to work, and that money that you're making from your job, you feeding your family with. So that means if you allow your job to feed your family, that means you also allow them to starve your family too. Because if you lose the job, what? You lose money. So you allowing your family, your job to starve your family too. So if you don't want your family starving, secure the bag. For real, FedEx, UPS. Secure the bag for real. Secure the bag for real. Don't end up a bum locked up or on welfare or unemployment. Secure the bag. Amazon is right in our faces. That's why I have a duty. I go to schools. I go to anywhere, for real. I'm waking people up. Like, listen, you guys need to see this information. This is really real. Don't worry about the bank tellers. Bank tellers, they done. And I'm going to do a video for them too. They done. Don't worry about it. What you need them for? To do a transaction? We do it right on our phone. So go to createmyown.com. I have a free webinar that you guys can actually watch. A free webinar that you guys can actually watch. Okay? And to tell you exactly what I do, but also do your research for Amazon. All right? To become your own franchise owner and make millions of dollars. This is like incredible, guys. I'm telling you. It's opportunity, man. People talk about it, one opportunity. Here it is. Take it or just keep doing what you're doing. Right? createmyown.com, guys. See you soon.